So you need to secure a file room within a larger space. Everybody instantly thinks I've got to build walls or some type of cages or something. Well, you could actually incorporate a secured roll down door. You could have it be a code, a pin sequence, or if you wanted to, you could even do it with a remote control. So I hit that button and this door opens up like your garage door at home. These can be motorized or manual. It's entirely up to you. So once that lifts up, notice I've got solid sides, a solid back. I've literally created a room within a room. So if we roll over here, now I can actually, I've got units in the back that don't move, and I have units in the front that slide. I can have this is a double deep. This could be a triple deep or even a 4 deep. And all I do is I slide this over. Look how easy they move. Slide this thing over and get to what I have in the back. Or if I want to slide this unit over, one hand. Slide that unit over, get what I need in the back. Heck, you could even slide 2 units over at one time and get to what I have in the back. And then all I've got to do to lock all this back down is hit the code or hit the remote. And I'm securing everything and I'm going on. So it's that simple. You're literally creating a secured room within a room to lock sensitive material.